Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about zonisamide. Zonisamide is actually associated with renal caliculi. Zonisamide is associated with renal caliculi and almost 1% of patients are affected with this zonisamide. Okay, here zonisamide, side effect of zonisamide is carbonic anhydrase inhibitory. Side effects are seen. Side effects are mainly due to carbonic anhydrase inhibition. Then one more drug which is associated with renal caliculi is topiramate. Is the drug. This topiramate also has carbonic anhydrase inhibitory and thus it will also contribute to renal stones. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.